Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you the brand new method on how you can get money from Temu. Now this is a brand new method, so make sure you watch right to the end so you understand all the steps needed in order to get free money from Temu. So let's get into it. Now the first way is a method that not many people actually know about, and it's been added quite recently. So the way to do that is open up the app like I'm on here, and then you want to be on the home page like this. And then as you can see, there is a section that says new user gift. There's two options here that are quite appealing. There's win your $100 prize and win items for free. So depending which prize you'd rather have, you want to pick that one. But since we're here to get money from Temu, we're going to pick this one to get a free $100 prize. And as you can see, the way to actually get this is to buy free items. So although you are spending a bit of money, you will get a $100 coupon. And as you can see, some of these items are very cheap. Like this one's $3.80, so we can choose this one. And what we basically want to do is look for the cheapest things on here, because then it will cost us the smallest amount to get it. But then in turn, we will get a $100 coupon to spend on whatever we want. So these are quite cheap. I'm going to choose these glasses. And then I just need one more item now. So if you're actually looking to buy some items on Temu and you've been looking at it, this can be a really good method if you're already looking at some items on Temu. So if you already had some stuff in your basket which you were going to buy, this is definitely worth doing, because you can just buy the items you were going to buy anyway, and then on top of it, you're going to get free money from Temu because they're going to give you a $100 coupon. But since we've added that stuff, they've actually given us more money. As you can see at the top now, it says get an $120 coupon. So we're going to add this last item here, and there we go. The total is only $25, and I will actually get a $120 coupon after. So this is crazy good value. I mean, you only have to spend $25, and if you were looking to buy some stuff that you were already going to buy, then it's literally going to cost you nothing because you're going to buy it anyway, and you're going to get a $120 coupon to spend on whatever you like. So it's just a really good deal, and I do recommend doing this method. So now I'm going to jump on to the second method, but most people do know about this method. However, it is still a really good one to try. So if you are new to the app, I do recommend doing this as well. So you want to come in this earn credit and free gifts one. Since we want to get some money from Temu, we want to actually choose the PayPal one. So I'm going to do redeem cash. And then you just have to follow the steps on screen and you can actually earn some rewards. So as you can see, you can claim some PayPal vouchers. And when you redeem these, they will actually be sent into your PayPal balance. So this is another way to get money from Temu. As you can see, it says how to redeem your cash from Temu. All you have to do is refer friends with your custom link. And then from there, once you have referred people and they've signed up, you can spin the wheel to earn some coins. And then finally, you redeem them coins for cash, as you can see here. You can redeem that for those PayPal cash credits. And then after that, when you redeem them, they will actually send that money straight into your PayPal account. So if you have a lot of friends, or if you have a really good way of promoting your link, you can make a lot of money from this Temu method. So that's exactly how you can get money from Temu. Hopefully you found this video helpful and hopefully earn a bit of money from Temu. If you did, please comment down below to say that this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.